Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to increase the speed of Windows 10. From this video you'll learn how to go about the process so you can improve your computer's speed. Follow these steps. 1. On your computer, go to Settings. Two. Open System and navigate to Storage. 3. Under the Local Disk C section, click on Temporary Files. If you don't see the option immediately, click on Show More Categories to show the hidden storage categories. 4. Select all the files you want to delete and hit the Remove Files button. But don't check Mark Downloads, these are the files placed in your Downloads folder. 5. Click Continue to complete the deletion. The deletion process might take longer to complete, depending on the size of the files you're deleting. If the process is taking longer to complete, you can continue with other tasks on your computer without worrying about interrupting the process. Six. Press Ctrl+R, right temp and hit Enter button. Now, select all the files in the temp folder and delete these. If you see a pop-up with a message informing you that you can't delete the file, hit the Skip button. 7. Press Ctrl+R. Write %temp% and hit Enter button. Now, select all the files in this folder and delete these. 8. Press Ctrl+R. Write prefetch and hit Enter button. Select all the files in this folder and delete these. Also, note that you can't recover temporary files once they are deleted. For that reason, it's always a good idea to have a backup of the files you consider important before proceeding with the action. One last setting of automatically deleting some files from your Windows 10 or PC is using the Storage Sense feature. Here's how to go about the process. 1. Go to System and then Storage. 2. If you want to delete temporary files automatically, enable Storage Sense setting by tapping this button. 3. Click on Configure Storage Sense. 4. Specify the cleanup frequency. 5. Specify if you want the content automatically cleaned from the Recycle bin or Downloads folder. Once you're done setting your preferred configurations, click on Run Storage Sense now. Once you've done these steps, restart your PC and observe if the solution works. Don't forget to comment about your problem is solved or not.